Are you an Oracle DBA who wants to be able to migrate Oracle databases from on-premises data centers to the Oracle Cloud with least downtime and effort? If this is you, then you came to the right place. Hi, my name is Ahmed Baraka, and I designed this course to teach you on a fantastic new Oracle product called Zero Downtime Migration. With this product, you can easily implement Oracle database migration projects with least effort and time. You don't need to be expert on Oracle DataGuard, Golden Gate, RMAN, or DataBump. You just provide the required information to the Zero Downtime Migration, and it will take care of the rest. By the end of this course, you will be able to perform the following skills: install and configure Zero Downtime Migration. Understand the Zero Downtime Migration workflows. Configure Zero Downtime Migration for migration jobs. Implement Zero Downtime Migration physical migration. Implement Zero Downtime Migration logical migration. And troubleshoot Zero Downtime Migration. This course covers all the topics included in mastering Zero Downtime Migration, such as the following: install and configure Zero Downtime Migration. Implement Zero Downtime Migration physical migration. Implement Zero Downtime Migration logical migration, and managing and troubleshooting migration jobs. Not only the course covers the concepts of its topics, you will also practice them. And all the practices are supported by videos that guide you on how to perform the practices. The course assumes that the audience has basic knowledge of managing Oracle databases on Linux operating systems. If you have never worked with Oracle databases on Linux, then this course might not fulfill your needs. Feel free to look into the course description, and I look forward to seeing you in the